Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make the verbosity of text-to-speech application higher in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for text-to-speech options and how to change verbosity. We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility menu, then in TalkBack we have Settings. In Settings we have TalkBack options. So verbosity, by default these are the settings, but if we want to make it higher we can use this function, and now every possible option is now turned on. So no need to save anything. As you can see, everything is working. Just back out and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day.